Welcome back everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a quick instructional video showing you guys how to install a new tune-up kit to your Zodiac MX8 pool cleaners. This also suits the second generation, the AX10, and the ASTRAL range S10 as well. In the tune-up kit we get 2 gearboxes, 2 tracks, bearings, your axle gears and engine. So let's get into it. Now all you need is Phillips head screwdriver, can use a drill too. We'll grab the goodies out. So like I said, engine, set of tracks, your side A, side B gearboxes, and your 2 driving axles. So first off, just want to push down on the yellow button, open up the inside. Now to get the top plate off here, there is 8 screws. If you have an early generation MX8, there's probably only 4 screws. We're just going to get those out. And the top plate will just pop off. Keep that one, you'll reuse it. So inside there we can see we've got our engine, bearings, and our side axles there. They're all going to pop out. We're not going to use those ones again. We're going to get the old tracks off. Now if you tip it up on the side, there's 1 screw here that gets the side section apart. Screwdriver's good just to pop it out. There's 1. There's the second one. We're going to put that to the side for the moment. So these 2 parts here, these are your gearboxes. So this is obviously what drives it forward, reverse, does the 360s, all the funny stuff. Good sign that you need a tune-up kit in this. Sometimes one of the gearboxes will go and just stay in neutral while the other one stays, say, in forward or reverse. And your cleaner's just doing 360s on the spot. So there's a little screw there that holds the gearbox in place. We're just going to take that out, like so. Rubbish. Inside the grey casing here, there's the letter B. That is to indicate that it's a side B gearbox. So on your gearboxes, on the sides here, we've got our A and our B. So we're going to grab our B gearbox, slide that into position like so, screw back in. Okay, side B complete. Now we'll repeat the process with side A.
Rubbish. Now we've got the new one into position.
Alright, once you've completed installing your new gearboxes, that's pretty much the hard work done. We can go back to putting it back together again. So, pops back into position on either side, like so. We'll tighten up the screws on the side. Now we want to install our drive, gearbox and engine. So these ones just slot either side. There's no left or right. And essentially it just drops into position like so. Now we're going to put the top plate back in. Get those screws out because they're getting in my way. Now if you're going to use a drill, remember it's plastic, don't go crazy. Right, all done inside there. And last but not least, we just got to put our new sets of tracks on. Now I find the easiest way to do that is get it over the two bottom wheels and then flex it up over the top of your gearbox. Like so. Now if you want to check it all works, you can just manually spin the fans over on the bottom there and we can see we've got it all back in working order. Now if you enjoyed that video and like to see more instructional videos from us, please let us know in the comments and like and subscribe. Thank you.